Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here to tell you a little bit about something I'm sure you've had at one point or another. It's a staple in my house. I love the flavor of it. It is A1 original steak sauce, established in 1862. You'll see this at many restaurants, not just steakhouses, anywhere really that serves steak or burgers, meatloaf, whatever. This goes extremely well on it. So this is A1 original sauce. It is kosher. Just shake well before using. The net weight is 10 ounces or 283 grams. See nutrition information for sodium content. And there are 15 calories per 1 tablespoon. So this is a sauce for steak, pork, and chicken, but I have to disagree with you that it's just for that because I'm a vegetarian and this goes great on top of different veggie burgers as well. So I switch this up when I don't want to have ketchup and I want something different. I definitely always have this out on the table when I barbecue. Shake well, best when used by March 29th, 2021, plenty of time before it expires. Distributed by Kraft Foods Group Incorporated in Northfield, Illinois, 60093/2753 USA. Copyright Kraft Foods. Now let's take a look at the nutrition facts. So the serving size is 1 tablespoon, 17 grams. Servings about 17. Calories 15. Total fat 0 grams. Sodium 280 milligrams or 12% daily value. Total carb are 3 grams or 1% daily value, 2 grams of sugars, and 0 grams of protein. Ingredients: tomato puree, water, tomato paste, vinegar, corn syrup, salt, raisin paste, crushed orange puree, spice, dried garlic, caramel color, dried onions, potassium sorbate to preserve freshness, xanthan gum, and celery seed. Let's go to the side here. It says established in 1862, A1, the sauce that makes everything taste better. Visit us at a1originals.com or 1-800-847-1997. There's the barcode. Refrigerate after opening for best quality. And they have this little recipe on the back, which I have not tried, but it looks good. Instead of using ground beef, I would use vegetarian crumbles. You can just substitute that. Cheddar potato pie. What you need: 1 pound lean ground beef, 1 onion chopped, 1/3 cup A1 original sauce, 2 cups hot mashed potatoes, 1 cup Kraft shredded cheddar cheese. Make it. Heat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Brown meat with onions in large skillet. Drain. Add steak sauce. 1.5 quart baking dish. Mix potatoes and cheese. Spread evenly over meat mixture. Bake 12 to 15 minutes or until heated through at 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Prep is 15 minutes. Total minutes it takes to cook is 30. And it serves 4 people. So easy to open. Screw off this top. Pour some out so you guys can see what it looks like. So it's like a nice thick brown and nice consistency. Makes it perfect for meat. It smells very vinegary. Pour this back in so you guys can see the consistency again. Liquidy. Don't let people fool you. It's not just for meat. It's great on everything and very easy to open and tasty and delicious, and you gotta have this if you're making steak or barbecue on your veggie burger. Possibilities are endless. So I hope you guys try out A1 original sauce. I hope you love it, and I thank you so much for watching my video. Hope you found it useful. Thanks guys.